Welcome to today's modular classroom. Today we are going to check whether our email has been exposed to any kind of breaches ever. So using this website, Have I Been Pwned is a free online service which allows users to check whether our email or any phone number has been exposed to the known data breaches. So this was created by a security expert Roy Hunt. So the word pwned means compromised or even it is hacked. So first step, we can open the browser. We can go to www dot or http slash haveibeenpan.com. Then it will be looking getting the text box to enter the email address. So you can give your email address and click check. So for my ID there is no data breaches, so it gives good news, no compromise or no pawnage found. So the email address was not found in any of the data breaches. So I'll check with any other ID. So I have another ID. So when I try to enter it, we can also, so here I am getting three kind of data breaches in one December 2025 from Indian streaming music service, and another is in September 2020 using the Nitropedia, and in 2019 May in the Canva. So we can get date-wise details of how our data has been breached. So what kind of security measure we can, what is the name of the website, date of the breach and type of the data which is exposed, which is a password, email or phone number. So what can we do then as a next step is immediately you can change your password or you can enable the two-factor authentication, and we do not reuse the password, and we have to check if the same password is also used in any other website. So, and also we should not share any kind of OTP. We should try to avoid using the public Wi-Fi or for sensitive logins. We can combine user uppercase, lowercase numbers and singles, and we can make the passwords very strong. We can enable the security alerts and so on. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.